Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to design your own MTN inverter. So, which you can use to charge your phone, to power your DC fan, to light up your bulb. So, it can charge your phone up to 8 hours and it can power your DC fan up to 4 to 5 hours. So, depend on the fan watt. So, what you need for this tutorial is you need the 100 to 150 watt panel. You also need the 30 or 40 amps charge controller. So, and you need the 500 VA inverter. So, which you can, all these you can get it on Gigi. So, if you're in Lagos, they are very cheap. And you also need UPS battery. So UPS battery costs around for 3 to 4 thousand. So depend on your location. So with all these, you can power your own MTN solar inverter. So with no extra subscription. So let's go ahead and set this up. Now place the solar panel outside, direct to the sunlight, and avoid any shade. Now connect the positive wire of the battery to the positive plug on the charge controller, and the positive and the negative wire of the battery to the negative plug of the charge controller. Connect your solar panel wire to the charge controller. So now after doing that, you will see your charge controller displaying. So bringing a display, so it will tell you it is charging. So it's charging the battery. To bring out the battery voltage, the battery percentage, and other information you need. So that shows the your solar panel is working perfectly. So now then connect your inverter, your 500 watt inverter pin. Connect the positive to the positive pin of the battery. So now after doing that, you will see then connect the negative to the negative pin of the battery. So yeah, and after connecting the negative on your on your inverter, on your 500 watt inverter, then plug the socket, your house socket, and connect it with the inverter. This inverter can only power your basic appliances only, like your mobile phones, uh, your light bulb, and your DC fans. So it can last for more than 8 hours, especially during this period of lockdown. It can power your mobile phone up to 8 to 10 hours, so depending on your battery, and it can also power your DC fan for more than 6 7 hours, so depending on usage. So, and it can light your bulb for 12 hours. So the 500 kVA inverter cannot power your refrigerator or other huge appliances. It can only light your bulb, you know, power your DC fan and other basic needs. So during this lockdown. So okay, thank you.